Andisingihlaka zumkhonto nenzani
sababa busa
phela mina nje ngigijima inkantolo Andisingihlaka zumkhonto nenzani
sababa busa
phela mina nje ngigijima inkantolo
Mfowethu
awutsizweni uwamkelekile la ekhaya elihle hle Johannesburg constituency offices. We are more than humble to host you, to have you in our presence here today. We know that you're a man of God. Siyazi ukuthi mangabe ufikile phakathi kwale ndawo umoya oyingcwele nawo uthelekile ngoba phela neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi lapho khona kukhona ababili noma bathathu behlangene ngegama lakhe yebo asibiza uNkulunkulu khona manje kodwa silapho ngomsebenzi yakhe futhi kungumsebenzi yama-voters ethu ase-Johannesburg ase-West-Rand ase-Gauteng yonkana mfowethu siyakwamukela
no leadership ngidumetse ubamona ku-office enhle yaJohannesburg constituency office and uhle re be le office ka gore batho ne se ba ga rena le office ya bona e konkandla fela go itumedisa go ba mona what we can say go batho ba South Africa batho ba batsho batho ba mo Gauteng batho ba mo Johannesburg gore ha le na le mathata you are more than welcome to come go officing le tlise mathata lona a ile goreng a tlo tsaiwa mona ke leadership ya rona mona a sebetsa le basebetsi ba hae ba ile goreng ke Zandile le Nomsa ba sebetsa le Honorable Bafana Mahlabe and those issues will be addressed, not only the issues ba tlo di receiver and there's nothing that will be done but those issues itla resolviwa umkhonto wesizwe we are not just here just because of we are bored, we are here because of we want to change the lives of people of South Africa. Command
my leader
ke thabela go
hi le nna o thaba nna mfowethu ke a bona mona ke shebile mona ungqolele mfowethu kuyazama sisitwa ke sithandle mara ke shebile mona ke bona people's mandate.
Okay.
What can you tell us about this people's mandate and where we come from with this manifesto? This was a founding manifesto, the people's mandate, and it speaks of so many things that are really building. That is exactly what we want as black people. You
know what I can say, Commander, about our mandate? Our mandate is clear. Our manifesto is clear. If you can look here, it says reclaiming our dignity. As black people, we have lost Seriti Sarona. We have lost Seriti Sarona. So as Umkhonto wesizwe, we are here to assure that the dignity of our people, the dignity of black people is being restored. If you look here, reclaiming our land, as we all know, our land was stolen. And that's why, as Umkhonto wesizwe, we are saying, when we get the 2/3 majority, amongst the things that we are going to do is to make sure that we change the constitution so that we can take back our land. So our mandate, comrades, you can see reclaiming our economy. As we all know, building our home and all that, you can go on and on and on and on, and that's what we are here for.
Definitely, and I also see Gujila and it speaks about reclaiming our safety and society, which is the biggest topic currently. Because nathi hayi ngoba support individual kodwa sisupporta igxathu nesibindi sakhe sithathile ukuthi asiveze lobala izinto esibhekana nazo njengezo South Africa. So ngithanda ukusho ukuthi commanders, it's a morning asibambeni kanjalo.